Ciao baby, Tanya here. Today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to look elegant and feminine. Each tip includes two different looks to help you understand and visualize what I'm talking about. Tip number 1. Opt for tight clothes. And here I'm referring to the clothes that fit you perfectly. You don't want to wear anything extremely tight that you won't be able to move. Your clothes should fit you like a glove. And that is why I chose this beautiful orange pink dress that, by the way, I showed you in one of my recent videos. The material of this dress is stretchy, what makes it fit you perfectly fine. I opted for the cream color peep-toe heels to make myself look even taller. I picked my black YSL clutch to complete the look. Here our goal is to create a beautiful silhouette with the use of the right type of clothing. That's why try to avoid wearing loose shapeless clothes if you're looking to create the perfect fit. For this look, I decided to wear this beautiful waffle dress in these unusual shades of blue. It fits perfectly. I styled this dress with my black Valentino rock studs and my YSL clutch. How do you like this outfit? I find it really sophisticated and elegant. My next tip for you is to adapt more color. Neutral colors are classics, but it's also a good idea to incorporate more color to your looks if your goal is to add more of a feminine flair to your style. Don't be scared to incorporate bright colors like pink or red to your wardrobe. And this is what I'm going to show you right now. Here I'm wearing this beautiful pink dress. That will be perfect for an everyday use. I styled this dress with my red high heel pumps and my red YSL clutch. Thoughts on this look? For my next look, I decided to style this beautiful chemise-like dress. How interesting is this color, by the way? It's neither burgundy nor fuchsia. It's something in between. A very beautiful color that catches attention. I decided to style the dress with my red pumps and heels. I feel like they're in the same shade with the dress and the match is perfect. Do you agree? What other color would you like me to style, by the way? My next tip for you might be obvious, but still I would love to point it out. Shoes play a paramount role when creating your outfit. The easiest way to create a feminine look is to wear high-heeled shoes. For this look, I grabbed this beautiful white mesh dress. I styled the dress with my slim back pumps and my clutch. I really love how this outfit turned out, very elegant and feminine. By the way, it doesn't mean you should wear extremely high heels in order to look feminine. You should choose shoes that make you feel comfortable and confident. Kitten heel is a great option that helps you to achieve that balance between comfortable and feminine. For this look, I styled my white blouse, flooded pink skirt, and my cream color Louboutin Pigalle Folie. Here I styled in neutral shades and the outfit turned out very girlish and cute. Next tip also helps you to look taller. Try incorporating high-waisted looks in order to accentuate your waistline and create a beautiful silhouette. Also notice how I'm staying in the same shades to make my looks more sophisticated. Here I'm wearing this waffle bodysuit in this beautiful brownish shade. I paired the top with a high-waisted faux leather pencil skirt. And I finished the look by wearing my classy Louboutin Suede 120s and my YSL clutch. I'm absolutely in love with this look. Of course, dresses and skirts help you to look feminine, but don't underestimate the power of the right trousers. You can look elegant and feminine even when you wear jeans, leggings, or trousers. But still try to pick the clothes that fit you well, that aren't loose. Here I'm styling this beautiful pair of high-waisted jeans. The fit of these jeans is perfect and they're not tailored, they're right from the store. I also put my belt to accentuate my waistline. On top, I'm wearing this beautiful brownish waffle bodysuit. I finished the look by grabbing my red rock studs and my YSL clutch. Dresses and skirts are the most feminine clothing items out there, but you still need to pick the right ones. Consider getting long dresses to show off your silhouette. Here I grabbed this beautiful fuchsia dress I got from an Australian brand, by the way. I have to say that I'm really impressed by the quality and the variety of some Australian brands. Chapeau. Back to the look. I finished the look by wearing my off-white heels and my YSL black clutch. I thought it would be a nice idea to use these shoes as they have these unusual pink soles under. You made it till the end! Thank you for staying with me through the whole video. I hope these tips were useful and you're going to try them. For my final look, I decided to style the sister of the fuchsia dress. I styled it with my Louboutin Suede 120s and my clutch. Thank you guys for sticking till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so we're always gonna be in touch. If you'd like to see more of my content or you're just willing to say hi to me, feel free to reach out. I'll drop the links as usually in the description box below. Have a fabulous day. I'll see you soon. Bye!